I need to solve this differential equation. So what we have right here is 2x times y prime plus y equals 2 radical x. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to put them in standard form. So I need to divide everything by 2x. Y prime plus 1 over 2x times y equals 2. 2 cancel out, and when you divide, you ended up with 1 over square root of x. So make sure we have x greater than 0 here. So p of x is 1 over 2x. Now let's take care of I of x. So I of x is e to the integral of p of x dx. So what we have is e to the integral of 1 over 2x dx. So we integrate, we ended up with e to the 1/2 ln absolute values of x. So if I can always rearrange, so I have e to the ln of x to the 1/2. So that's just x to the 1/2. Now we multiply the differential equation by I of x. I'm gonna get, so this is square root of x. So I'm gonna get square root of x times y prime plus 1 over 2 square root of x equals 1. Therefore, we turn it into the product rule is square root of x, y prime equals 1. Now we're ready to integrate. So I have square root of x times y is integral 1 dx. So that's just turned into an x plus c. So now I solve for y. I should have x plus c divided by square root of x. We need to solve the initial problem here. And what we have is xy prime minus 2y equal to 2x. The initial values is y of 2 equal to 0. So the first thing we do is we need to put it in standard form. So I'm going to divide everything by x. So we have y prime minus 2 over x times y equal to 2. Now let's figure out I of x. So I of x is going to be e negative 2 integral 1 over x dx. You can see it's right here. And then I just took out the negative 2. That turned into e to the negative 2 ln square ln absolute values of x. So when I rewrite, I should get e to the ln of x to the negative second power, which is just the absolute values of x to the negative second power, and then we can just drop the absolute values. So now we're going to take this and multiply by I of x. So when we multiply these two, we should get x negative second y prime minus 2x to the negative second over x times y equals to 2x to the negative second. So that's turned into x to the negative second y prime, 2x to the negative second power. Let's integrate. So x to the negative second power times y, integrate 2x to the negative second dx. That should give you x to the negative 2 times y equals to negative 2x to the negative first power plus c. Now we're going to use the initial values. So y, first I need to solve for y. So y equals to negative 2x plus cx squared. So we just divide everything by x to the negative second power. So y of 2 equal to 0. That's the initial. So we ended up with 0 for y, and I'm going to plug 2 in for x. Plus c2 squared. Solving it, we get c equals to 1. So we ended up with y equals to x squared minus 2x.